Hey gang, Jesse here at AC Auto Repair. I want to visit with you for just a second about a GDI fuel system. So, a few years ago, the EPA changed a bunch of things up, forcing manufacturers on some vehicles they chose to go to a gasoline direct injection system versus a traditional fuel injection system. Basically, moving the fuel injector below the engine valves instead of above it. None of that really matters other than the fact that you really need to understand that the best way to take care of your vehicle is to do an induction service on this car. This particular car here is a GDI engine. So it is actually needing to have this service performed with our platinum oil change service every 15,000 miles in order to enhance the life of this engine. You can read about why all the Hyundai engines and all the different engines are failing prematurely. And what happens is because the carbon builds up inside the engine and then it falls off, and it does damage to the inside of the engine. When this service here is done every 15,000 miles, then it prevents that damage from happening to the engine. It increases fuel efficiency, it increases reliability. It gives you all the things you need to be able to take great care of your car, your investment, and keep it running for years and years to come.